Hey everyone! Today, I've come across something truly mind-blowing. Imagine creating stunning, interactive kids' books that actually talk, and doing it in under 60 seconds. This is a game-changer for anyone looking to tap into the growing world of kids' education and entertainment. Stick with me because I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this revolutionary tool. Did you know that the global interactive children's book market is set to cross $962.8 million by 2030? Yes, parents and educators are actively searching for engaging ways to teach kids, and interactive books are at the forefront of this trend. It's not just theory. Look at these real examples. Jay Brown makes $5,000 a month selling coloring books online. Trevor Somerville earns $170,000 monthly publishing kids' books on Amazon KDP. Clearly, this is a booming market with massive potential. And now, there's a tool that lets you jump right in without the usual headaches. Now, let's talk about the struggles most people face when trying to create kids' books. It takes forever. Writing and designing even one book can take days, sometimes weeks. Costly tools. Platforms charge $30 to $50 per month, which adds up quickly. Hiring freelancers? Don't even get me started. It's expensive and time-consuming. And even if you try to do everything yourself, you'll spend hours researching hot niches, creating content, and figuring out how to market the book. It's no wonder so many people give up before they even start. But here's where things get exciting. This new AI-powered tool changes the game completely. It lets you create talking kids' books in just 60 seconds. No writing, no designing, no coding, nothing. Here's what it can do. Create books in 25-plus categories, like adventure, science, math, puzzles, and more. Generate content in any language so you can sell globally. And all it takes is a keyword. Enter it, and the tool handles the rest. Text, images, and even interactive features. It's like having your own personal publishing assistant, but without the hefty price tag. And the best part? It's already helping people make serious money. Check this out. Delphine earns over $10,000 a month selling coloring books. Sandra makes $200 a day selling simple ebooks. And Trevor, the superstar, makes $170,000 a month with kids' books. The demand is real, and this tool gives you everything you need to tap into it, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator. Let me quickly show you how simple this is. It works in just 3 easy steps. Login. Just sign in. No tech skills required. Create. Enter a keyword, and the AI generates a beautiful talking kids book in under 60 seconds. Sell and profit. Publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, or even Apple Books, and start earning right away. It's that simple. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. Just pure creativity and profit. So, my honest take? If you've ever wanted to dive into the world of kids' books, this is by far the easiest and most affordable way to start. The fact that you can create high-quality, interactive books without writing a single word is just incredible. And the price? Right now, it's just $17 for lifetime access. Seriously, that's less than a pizza. If you're curious, I've added the link below. Check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy creating!